Yes, anywhere you go, Biafra, no election. Everywhere you go, all the Nigerian poster is gone. All Nigerian poster is gone. Anywhere you go, everywhere you go, anywhere you go, you can see it. All the political posters is down. You want to try? Do you want to try? We have said it. No election in Biafra land, and so shall it be. Do you want to try? Come out, let's see you. Come out, let's see you. This is Biafra land. We can no more tolerate any election in Biafra land. You can see it everywhere you go. Everywhere you go. In case you don't see it, this is Biafra. No election in Biafra land. Again, enough is enough. This is the poster, zoo poster. It's down. Yes.